For our weekly challenge, I have 3 questions for you today, and I wrote them here. I'm going to deposit 5 coins, and you're going to tell me how much money the total would be. That's question 1. For question 2, I'm going to put 10 coins. And for the last question, I'm going to put 10 coins and then take out 5 coins. This is how it works here. Let me show you what I mean by that. So for example, if I put 10 dimes, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to bring that closer, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, 10 dimes is $1. Now, I have $1 or 100 cents. Now, I would be covering this register so you wouldn't see it. And if I click these minus signs, so I would subtract, for example, that would be subtracting 10 cents. This would be subtracting a quarter. So here you are, or withdraw, that means take out. So 4 of these would bring the amount back to 0. Remember, 4 quarters is the same as 10 dimes, is the same as 20 nickels. Now, before we do the questions, I want to introduce decimal numbers. We talked about that before, but I think this is a great introduction to decimal numbers. Now, what does that mean? A decimal is like a fraction. That means it's not the whole, it's less than the whole. Now, in this case, if you're talking about dollars, this is one whole dollar. You see that? That's one whole dollar. Now, but these coins are not a whole dollar. They're less than $1. So they are a fraction of $1. Like, for example, a penny, and remember, pennies are not in circulation anymore. You can't use them for purchases. But the value of a penny is 1/100th. That's why we call it a cent. It's like 1% of $1. We could also write it like this: 0.01. That is 1 out of 100. Now, the value of a nickel is 5/100, or 5/100th. Or we could also write it as a decimal number, 0.05. And the value of a dime is 0.1. The zeros after here makes no difference because 1/10th is the same thing as 10/100ths. And the value of a quarter is 0.25, or we could say 25/100ths, 25/100. And if I simplify this fraction, I should get 1/4. That's why we call it a quarter, because it's actually 1/4 of $1. 4 quarters makes $1. Now that we clear this up, we're going to look at the questions. All right, are we ready? So let's see. I'm going to reset here. I'm going to cover that so you don't see. Question 1, 5 coins. I'm going to put 5 coins there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. How much money is there in the bank? Question 2. Let's cover. I need to put 10 coins in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much money is there in the bank? I put 10 coins in there. You should have looked here too, because it tells you what I put in the bank. Last question. 10 coins in, 5 coins out. 10 coins in, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 5 coins out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them quarters. How much money is there? The answer is $1.45. $1.45. How much money is there? $6.10 or 610 cents? Well, let's see. That's the big reveal. Let's see if you're right. $6.75. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and have a great week. See ya.